How come nobody's talking about this Ghanaian guy trending? Like, if you don't know about the story of this Ghanaian guy that overnight became the talk of town, I'm not talking about trending in Ghana, Nigeria. I'm talking about worldwide. Guess what? He got the recognition from BBC and other big television channels. All right. So this very guy is from Ghana. Well, he didn't grow up in Ghana, but that doesn't mean he's not a Ghanaian. Now, Ghana blood that run through his vein. All right. So guys, if you are really interested in knowing, then stick to this very video and make sure you watch from beginning to the end. There you will know the reason why this guy is trending. I hope you are all ready. Let's jump into the video. But before we watch, please, I would love to draw the attention of my country people, Nigeria. This video is also for you. Yes, it's specifically for you. I want you guys to come check it out. And I believe by the time you are done watching this video, you will never look down on Ghanaians again, because God can raise someone from nothing to something. I kept saying it on this channel. You guys are thinking I'm joking, right? God is blessing Ghanaians like water right now. And it's because of the stones you guys have thrown on them. Then God is trying to let you guys know that I can take somebody from square zero, and lift him up to 1,000. That's exactly what is happening to this very young guy.
So does the man make the clothes, or do the clothes make the man? The man who started it all, Jason Gemfy, is here with me now to help answer the question. Jason, thank you so much for joining me here. We got our matcha here. I just want to cheers you real quick.
Matcha bump.
So talk to me. When you first put on the quarter zip, how did it feel different? Why did that make some sort of, I guess, just metamorphosis in your whole style?
So I want to preface this by saying the man makes the clothes do not make the man.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
That being said, I feel like it's important as young men that we learn how to differentiate whatever it is we want to put on. If you want to put on a sweatsuit and you feel like that's the way for you to go, I understand that that's cool. However, it's also important to know the difference between changing up your appearance from time to time. That being said, when I put on the quarter zip, it's unlocked a different level of just life for me, truthfully. I got here, and yeah, that's pretty much the answer to that question.
Now, you said the clothes don't make the man, but, you know, we're both wearing quarter zips right now, and someone looks a lot better than I do, all right? I'm looking like the abominable snowman here. Maybe a little schmedium didn't help out, but it's okay. Now, you're trending. It even caught the attention of T-Pain.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. How does it feel to have celebrities jumping onto this right now?
It's beautiful, truthfully. It's beautiful, because it just goes to show, like, how much influence can really do for you in this world. It just goes to show that, like, when you're somebody who is not a natural born leader and you understand what God has done for you, you can inspire the world, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. It starts with quarter zips, but it doesn't end with quarter zips.
Okay, and it also has some matcha along the way, right?
Matcha.
So why drink matcha? How did that come about?